Hi, my name is Jan Leja. I'm the county chair for San Bernardino County Republican Party, and I'm asking for you to vote for my friend Ali Mazarei. It's so important that we elect Republicans up and down the state. Riverside County deserves great representation, and Ali is the guy that can do that. He understands what the American dream is, but he also really understands what the California dream is. And we've lost that through the years. I'm asking you to send Ali to Sacramento so that we can bring back the California dream. Vote Ali Mazarei this November. Thanks again, and see you at the polls.